guys, thank you guys again for joining me in another video. In this week's video, I am planning the month of July. Sorry about that, the jets are going. Obviously it's 4th of July week, so I'm so sorry about that. I will try to edit out as much as I can because I know those can get annoying sometimes. But this month, or sorry, let's start all over. I am planning the month of July, and I will be using Planner Kate's kit 631 for the Happy Planner Classic size. I chose this one because it is my daughter's 2nd birthday, so I just thought it was very cute and appropriate for her birthday, kind of. Just because it has the ice creams, it's pink, you know, so that's what I went with. We do have a lot of birthdays this month going on. I have a lot of things going on, so I'm going to take this paper clip off for a minute so I can take these pages actually out, and I will move my planner out of the way, and we will start with the headers for now. So how's everyone's 4th of July week going? Because when you guys see this video, if I stick to schedule, you guys will be seeing it on July 10th. So did you guys enjoy your 4th of July? We had a good 4th of July because I am planning a little bit after the 4th. So on the 5th actually. And we enjoyed our 4th of July. Hold on, I gotta grab some items here. I don't know how I'll need all of this, but I'm just gonna pull them out. And then I always start my monthly, I like it on a Sunday versus on a Monday, but I like my weeklies to be on a Monday. Does anyone else like that, or do you guys like Sunday and Monday? I'm not sure why I think the very first planner that I got was a Sunday start and that kind of stuck with me. And then on the weeklies, I guess I just always like them to be Monday because I work on Monday. I guess if my work week started on a Sunday, then I guess I would like on a Sunday, but I start Monday. So I know when I used to work third shift and I would go in Sundays, I would prefer that. I guess I just like to align my weeklies to go with my work schedule. So I did get my nails done and they are very pretty. I got acrylics, or yeah, I'm loving it. Trying to get used to it. It's been a really long time since I've had my nails done like this. I usually just get a basic manicure, you know, polish and call it good, but this month I was like, you know what, let's try a little bit something different. I am going to move these a little bit to the side like that, and I'm gonna set the sidebar. I don't really use it, but I like having it just because I feel like it adds a pop of color to my planner, but it's just there. Let's see what color. I think I'm gonna go with this pink thin washi for the bottom because it just makes it look a little bit nicer to add a little bit of decoration down here. And I think I'll stop it right there. And I will save these for in case I need it. I'm trying to think if this month is definitely filled with a lot more birthdays than normal for me, and so I was trying to figure out how I wanted to do that, because the way that I normally do is I use a full box, but I don't think I will have enough for the birthdays that we have going on, because I have I forgot to text my mother Courtney for her birthday. I just realized that, so I have to text her here in a minute. A belated birthday. I have my cousin's Myra's birthday, my daughter's 2nd birthday, my godson's birthday. Here is my husband's niece's birthday. So yeah, we have a lot of birthdays, and I only have 2 of these. So I will mark my daughter's obviously with 1, but the rest I'll see how I want to do that because I do have balloons here, so we'll see how we do this. I am going to add these down here just to kind of fill that space out so it's not so what you call that, empty, I guess, down here, since I won't be using it for anything really. Just like that. And then I have one more I can add up here, but I am going to lift this a little bit because it goes higher than what mine are. So I did want to say that these inserts that I am using are mine that I created for personal use. They're not for sale or anything like that, so you won't be able to find them. But anything else that I do use in this video, it is linked down below if you guys are interested in that. So before, I know when my daughter's birthday is, but before I move on, I'm gonna add this one for her birthday, just like that. And I'm gonna put these dots down and then I will be right back. Okay, so those are done. I think I'm just gonna start going and filling in things here. So let me just do one thing real quick. I'll probably use these greens for birthdays maybe for this month, but we'll see. So I'll do that. Here. Add one of these balloons with the July. If I remember correctly, she does have one. Yep. So we'll do this one for 4th of July, just like that. Saturday we have a few quinceañeras that we need to go to, so I'm just gonna put quinceañera parties because there's 3 of them that day, which is crazy to think that we have that many quinceañera parties. And that is like a in our Hispanic community, that is like a sweet 16, except it's when the girl turns 15. So, and then I have at 1 p.m. both Lily and Louise wig appointment. And that is next Wednesday. And see, and I wasn't even remembering that I have these appointments coming up this month. On the 11th is my husband's niece's birthday, but I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they did say they were going to throw her birthday party, but it wasn't going to be until the 13th on Saturday. I'll do that, but I won't put it in because I'm not 100% sure. And then my cousin Myra's, I don't know why I put Myra, so I'm going to put Myra, is on the 16th. Teared that off way too hard, so good thing I am putting a sticker down for my page. Putting like a little balloon here. Of course, Lily's birthday, so I'm gonna write, my little Liliana turns, I cannot believe that she is already gonna be 2 years old. That's so hard. I love seeing her grow. She's definitely a very independent little girl. Right, Eduardo. It's for my godson's birthday, and his birthday is on the 20th. 22nd, I have Liliana's at 10 a.m. early on. And then at 2:15 is Francisco's, or Luis. His name is Luis Francisco. Francisco 6-month checkup. So, so the 22nd pretty much will mean that I will be taking the day off because I have a bunch of appointments. This week is pretty busy because then on the 23rd at 8:15 is Liliana's 2-year checkup. Just hard to believe. Then on the 24th at 9:30 we have a small claim. Zoom. And that is, I will talk about that later just because I don't know if I can or can't, and I don't want it to be used against me. But I have a small claim Zoom there, and that is us taking someone for a small claim. But like I said, I might talk about it later. I don't want to talk about it now because I don't know. I don't want it to come back and say, you know, just yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna put down my work trash days and then my recycling days while I kind of talk about my daughter. So yeah, so today, not today, on the, oh, I need another, no I do not, because I put this on the wrong day. Trash day at work is not, it's this week. There we go. She's been she is a very, very, very independent little girl. I think now that I personally gave birth to 3 kids, right? But we have 4 kids in total because 1 is my stepson. I can definitely say that, well, my stepson, I didn't start raising him anyways until he was about, how old was he? 7, 8 years old. So I didn't get to meet him as a baby, okay? So that's what I mean when I refer to that, okay? But having 3 babies that I raised since they were little, I've realized that my firstborn, she was definitely a more, she was a harder baby when it came to, what you call that, late at nights. Like, she would just cry. She was just very colicky, I guess, like most people would say. My second born, Liliana, was a very calm baby. You know, very dependent. Like, she slept in her crib, she ate, she slept through the night. Has always been a more easier baby, but she's also very she observes a lot. Anything that I do or anyone does, she sees and does, and I love that about her because she's like very quick. But I hate it because she's always on the go and always trying to do things on her own. Like this morning, she woke up, she got on the table, peeled herself an orange, and I'm like, I don't know if that's very common for an almost 2-year-old to do or not, but definitely kind of broke my heart a little because I was like, you're supposed to wake me up, you're supposed to be like, mama, I'm hungry, mama, I need this. But she's like, if she could, she'd probably go in the fridge, pull out some eggs, and cook herself some scrambled eggs all on her own. Which I really do love that about her, that she's very independent and on the go. My first daughter, she's also very independent. She's always been very grown for her age as well, very smart. No complaints there. But I think Liliana's just a little bit more like, she has no fear within her. And then my son, he is very chill. Because when I had my first daughter compared to my second one, there was a 10-year gap, so obviously I couldn't remember a lot of things that, you know, my first daughter at 6 months, what she was doing. But I can with my son and Liliana, because they're only a year and a half apart, because Lily's gonna be 2 years and Francisco on Sunday turns 6 months, so, or 2 years and 6 months. And he is, I think I would always do this when I was on the table with Liliana, tap, and she would try to copy me back. She couldn't do it, you know, very good because she was 5-6 months, but she would try. And I do that to my son to see what he does, and he's just kind of chill, like, nah, don't really want to do it, have no worries. He's not eager to hold his bottle, to like set up. So he's more of a chill, like, I will do things on my own. Sometimes I'm like, maybe it's just me because I know kind of like he's my last baby, but I'm not 100% sure. So I kind of want to soak in those baby cuddles, the baby needs, and which I know is not good, but yeah. So anyways, my monthly is done. It seemed like there was a lot going on because I had a lot of sticky notes, but I think I put everything down. Let me just kind of go through them and make sure. Yep, that is everything. So we just have a lot more birthdays, not birthday parties this month. We have a couple parties here. We might be doing her birthday party on the 20th. I'm not 100% sure. So I got all my appointments in. Good thing that I'm doing this now because now I know I have one next week. The week after that I have nothing, but then the week after that I am busy among 3 days, and I'm almost done with class. I don't know exactly when is the last day, so I can't put it in, but we did have no school Thursday because Thursdays I have class, so I put that in there. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.